In this video, I'm going to show you how to duplicate contents or synchronize files between S3 buckets. So let's get started. Hello everyone, this is Marco speaking. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the AWS S3 sync command, which is kind of like the rsync from Linux, which allows you to synchronize contents between buckets or from your local machine to an S3 bucket. So the options available are you can synchronize a content from one bucket to another, or from your local machine to an S3 bucket, or from an S3 bucket to your local machine. I'm gonna attach a link to you in the description so you can read more and see what else you can do with this command. So let's get into it. Okay, great. So the first thing that I'm going to do is to test the first option, to synchronize contents from one bucket to another. So here I have this bucket, npcsj test copy bucket 1, and the npcsj test copy bucket 2. So I'm gonna copy all the contents from this bucket to this bucket using the sync command. So for keep going, you must have the AWS CLI properly installed on your machine. So I'm gonna pass AWS S3 sync, and then I pass the URI for the first bucket, which is this, to S3 colon / and this. And I copy the name here and I paste it here and enter. Perfect. Let's go back to the second bucket, refresh here. As you can see, we have all the files from the first bucket, including content inside the buckets, inside the folders. So if I click here, you can see the same contents inside folders, which means that the sync command can go recursively and copy contents inside buckets too. Okay, great. Let's keep going. So I deleted everything into this S3 bucket, and now we're gonna test the second option. I'm going to synchronize contents from a local folder in my computer to an S3 bucket. So I have this folder here with a lot of JSON and CSV files, and then I'm gonna send all of these files to this bucket. So how this is going to work? First of all, I'm going to open up this folder into the terminal, close this one, and then the process is quite similar. AWS S3 sync. So the origin is the current folder, which has the test files that I just showed to you, and the destination is going to be S3 colon / this. And I paste it here and click enter. After a few minutes, it depends on your internet connection and how many files I have to upload. Let's go back to the bucket, refresh here, and here you can see that all the files were correctly copied from my computer to the S3 bucket. Okay, great, that's it. So if you want, you can do the opposite too. You can download all the files from a bucket to your local machine, but I'm not gonna demonstrate to you. It's basically doing the same thing, but it will reverse the origin and the source. And that's it. Now we learn how to use the sync command from S3 to optimize the way that you manage content between your S3 buckets. If you like this kind of content, just give me a thumbs up, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel. I hope you liked it, and I see you in the next time.